Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And what we're going to take a look at is one of my favorite casinos here. We're not going to go through and look at all the slot machines and stuff like that, but we're going to check out one of the coolest things here in Vegas. It's a free thing. We're going to look at the Conservatory, and what it is it's a flower garden that's right over here by the hotel check-in, and they change the theme of it 3 or 4 times a year, and it is fantastic. I always come over here to take a look at it. You can do the fountains at the Bellagio also, but I think they're doing maintenance on them, so we won't be able to see that today. So let's walk through here and let's take a look and let's see what we see. All right, so when you come in, this is the hotel registration area. Over there is all the slots, the table games, everything like that. And then here is the hotel check-in. And you can see they have all the little glass lotus leaves and stuff like that up here. But the hotel check-in behind it itself is very, very cool. We'll take a look at it. There's quite a few people checking into the Bellagio, but take a look at this right here. How cool is this, just right behind the hotel check-in? And they have all the little columns and stuff like that. Then they have all the high-end shopping here also. You get your Hermes purses, stuff like that. Rolex over there. Yeah, I've been to this casino many, many times. It's absolutely fantastic. You got a piano player over here also. So this is just like the little lounge. Petrosans, or however you say it. All right, so right after you check in, go get your rooms, get your bags squared away, and then come over here and take a look at this. And then it goes into all the shopping and stuff over there also in the parking garage. They do a lot of weddings here at the Bellagio, so you'll see people out here doing the wedding photos. Now the flowers are all real. The displays that they put them in, they'll be, whatever they're made out of. But all the flowers you see are real. So those are all real cut flowers that are in that little bee right there. Oh, that's really, really cool. So we have the bees busy on the beehive. Then you got the birds, butterflies, hummingbirds. So you got to jockey around here for positions because everybody's over here taking pictures. Yeah, that's really cool. And it's a beautiful space. I've seen them setting up for the new displays before, and they bring in like big cranes in here. I've seen them doing like big, huge Christmas trees. It's quite a deal. And they got a whole flower garden set up somewhere in the area where they grow all of these flowers. You see all the tulips and the mums and everything else. Yeah, these are real nice tulips here. Check out the birds here. They made a little bird nest for it. Oh, this is kind of cool. So that's a little figure behind the bird with the bird on its hand. And then the bird house. Yeah, that is fantastic. Yeah, all that orange and yellow and white, all that's little flowers that they cut. And you can smell it. You won't be able to smell it at home, but it smells nice. So this is like the catbird seat here. Everybody gets right here to take pictures of the center part. And the same over here. All the honey. You can see how they have it on the inside. Yeah, just have some eggs up there and stuff. Yeah, really nice. They've added these little screens back here since I was here last. And then you have a restaurant right over here. Oh wow, so you can come here and have dinner here in the little birdhouse. Another little restaurant. So if you eat here, you can reserve that table and have lunch in the middle of the conservatory. That's brand new. Or it is new to me anyway. Oh, that's really cool. And there's a million people here taking pictures, having a good time. And I used to have the art gallery that was Steve Wynn's collection in here somewhere. I don't know if they still have that since he's not involved with the Bellagio anymore. So how fantastic is that? So that's all fresh flowers. They have to redo that every day or so to keep it looking fresh. Really creative. And it just is a brilliant area here. And some more of the flowers. This is pretty cool. They made the little caterpillar. They have a little water feature here. And then they got the little chicks over there hatching. And people have tossed coins and everything else in there. They have some real birds flying around here in the bird cage. Yeah, really nice. And just flowers everywhere. Yeah, this is the whole conservatory. Really quite cool. I always make a point of coming here whenever I come to Vegas. All right, let's walk, see if we can go out to the front and see anything here now. More flowers right here, even before you go into the conservatory. Yeah, we'll walk through the casino over around to the front. We won't be able to see the fountains, but we'll at least take a look at the little pool in front. That's supposed to be like Lake Como in front of the Bellagio. Everything in here is all well marked with the signage. All the table games. This pit over here is closed up. It'll be open tonight probably. The casino bar over here and a little lounge. Baccarat bar. Yeah, this is a huge place. Yeah, this was part of the Steve Wynn deal. So Steve Wynn, after he built the Mirage, which was a huge success, he had money to do stuff like this. Treasure Island and the Bellagio and then the Wynn. And he always did everything at a super level. And just look at how the floor is even, with all the marble. You got some people over here throwing the dice for some craps. The shopping mall in here is gigantic also. You can find pretty much anything you want in there. So we got a Mayfair supper club here. And so what they do is kind of a new thing in Vegas, I guess. They, while you're eating, they have like a show, so you can sit there and watch it while you eat. And they have millions of slot machines. Another little bar over here with some dining. Oh, that's really nice in there. Got the games on. We'll go out over here. This is the start of the Bellagio shop. Sports books over that away. Yeah, this is just a gigantic place. Yeah, a few of the shops here. Tiffany's, Prada, Louis Vuitton, everything. Yeah, so it looks like the fountains are going off. They have the little boat out there for the maintenance, so they must be just test running them. We'll see if we can see them. They're still going on when we get out there. Yeah, you can see a little bit of them going on. Now you can go from here over to Caesars, and you can cross the way over to the Horseshoe and all of that. And this takes you right out to Las Vegas Strip. And then the huge fountain and pool here in front of the Bellagio. Yeah, so this is the thing. Yeah, they're just test running. There's no music or anything. And this is the area that the Bellagio is in. You got the Paris over here, the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, really, really cool. But the Bellagio is still probably my favorite in Vegas. Yeah, I have a couple of the little showgirls over there. They do the pictures for a fee. Yeah, they turned the fountains off. Yeah, this is the Bellagio. Ah, how cool is it though? You got the Cosmo over there, Caesars, and this is their replica of Lake Como from Italy, and all the little forum shops and everything. And so over there is Planet Hollywood, the Cosmo. Yeah, cool area. Come down here at night when all the lights are on and everything, everybody's jammed in here. And then this takes you back over the Flamingo, Horseshoe, the Mirage, Treasure Island, everything down there. Now the Mirage will be a Hard Rock pretty soon. They're starting to do the big guitar and stuff like that out there. Well, that'll finish up our video over here at the Bellagio. We got to see a little bit of the fountains. Like I said at the start, I didn't think I'd get to see them because they're doing some maintenance. And as you can see, they were just shooting the fountains up, and the guys are doing whatever they do with them. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. The conservatory is one of the things I always come to Vegas to see. It's a fantastic free thing. Just go in there, take your picture with all the flowers, and kind of enjoy it. It's a really nice thing. So you don't have to be a flower lover to kind of enjoy the artistic effort that goes into making all of that. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and you get to see some more content like this. If you've been here or have any questions or comments, ask me down below. And until next time, from over here in Vegas, remember, life is a journey. So until next time, enjoy.